Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothought Zero to Hero series. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 70. Oh my god, we had reached a long way. Lesson number 70, Python coding on Jetson Nano, and in this particular lesson, I am going to cover a new topic called Python set. Alright, of course, we are going to create a new file, Python file. Forget about the tuple and the list and the previous files. We will create a new file and start working on that. All right, so basically sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. All right, multiple items in a single variable. Set is one of the 4 inbuilt data types in Python, which is basically used to store collections of data, and the other 3 are obviously it's the list and tuple, which you learned in the past, and there is also one more called dictionary, which I am going to show you in the upcoming lessons. All right, which has got different types and stuff like that. So in this particular lesson, I am going to show you what a set means with an example. Let's take a look. All right, I have logged into my Jetson Nano, and this is my terminal. Let's create a new file, nano. What do we name it as? Set. All right, set.py. This is a fresh new file. Using terminal, you have created a new folder, a new Python file, okay, which is basically residing in your Jetson Nano. Okay, now let me show you some example of set. Say this set this set equal to, all right guys, one important thing, in the set you will be using a curly bracket, not the square, not the round. It's going to be a curly bracket. Remember this, these syntaxes you got to remember in your mind. Curly bracket, and then let's say Iron Man. All right, and then the next value, say Hulk, and then let's put another values, Doctor Strange. Okay, curly bracket, close. Make sure that you are following this, guys. It's a curly bracket. Okay, now let's print. Now print is going to be in the round bracket, this set. Okay, this set. It's very simple, guys, very simple. Now let's save it. Control O, enter, Control X. All right, let me open that Python file, Python 3 set.py. There you go. Can you see that your Iron Man, Hulk and Strange, you have created a set. All right, now what we will do is, guys, so in this lesson you learned about creating a set. In the next video I'm going to show how you can play around with sets with few more examples. All right, thank you for watching. Do give me a thumbs up, and I am going to be back very soon.